Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Let's begin our today's analysis and Max, and we are come from GCRC, and let's begin our today's data analysis. So we're mainly about the Go and SP 500. So there is like a really so important thing about the Israel and the Palestine conflict. So it's not just a conflict right now; it's more like a war. So because of this war, this area or that Redadio has said that the World War III's possibility have been become from 35% to 50%, and which this is a big reason that the gold just raising like so crazily right here. You can see it just goes up for like $50. This is much incredible until before the big pandemic in 2020. And so you guys can see this is wow. And we did a very good analysis right here that we're gonna do the good buying at this range, and it just go up and to break out our point, which is 80, 95, and right now the prices have stopped it on the which is this point. Okay, let's have this big point here. Okay, as you guys can see, the prices just break out the 90 30, and then the prices have been stopped by the upper range. Okay, we have known this is a supply range, right? But still, I don't think the price is gonna be stopped on just right here, but it's gonna be oscillating on those days. But you guys can see they actually have the price squeeze at this range. You can see from the small to the big, 1, 2, 3 goes up, right? So it's gonna have a really good opportunity that to make a higher high. It gonna goes up, okay? So until the prices to touch here, it just will be oscillating all the time. The prices of the gold just be oscillating, okay? All right, so can I change the script? No, I can't. So this is our prediction about the gold. So there is two reasons why it's gonna make a higher high. It's a really easy, right? So firstly, reason, it's about what, everybody? It's about what? The war. And the second reason is the Redadio. They have saying that there may be World War III from the possibility 35% to a big percent, 50%. This is really make people that worry about the war, the economic. And the third, so the Federal Reserve have just said that there may be, okay, the chairman just said there may be we have getting down about raising the interest rate. Okay, so those are really important factor that also makes the SPX 500 goes up. Okay, it also goes up. So the interest rate decision had been made clear. This had been down. Okay, had been down. Okay. So those two reasons make a really complex direction that to push the prices up just all over $50. Okay, all over $50, and I don't think this is enough. If you have trade enough, you can see through on the 2020 of 2020 April, 2020 April or March, 2020 March. We need to find about 2020 March. Okay, this is not enough. The daily chart. You can see the 2020. Adjust this range. Okay, 2020 March, you can see it just goes up like so crazily. It goes up for like 200 USD, like for a week, man. Like for a week. And there is a daily. You can see the daily. This is the daily chart, man. This is the daily chart, which means this one candle represents the daily prices, daily prices changing. You know, so this price you can see from the 2031 to 9012. Okay, so which means on one day they are oscillating for like $1 USD, but today it only if take $50, and it's not enough, man. It's not enough. It's now so far away from a limit. Okay, so far away from the limit. It will goes up when it touch this prices, when it touch this price squeeze range, which you guys may call it as a demand zone at this range. So it's better to you can see another really small, okay, really small range here. Have a little bit price squeeze to push it down, but here actually have the consensus that making the prices up until the prices to touch this range, and we need to know where the short position, where the short positions target price. Okay, so here will be a target price, which is the 90.40. So we may gonna just make the 90.40 higher than we think at this range to make sure we can do this buying. Okay, here, and I'm gonna change about this. Maybe it's like this. Okay, so this is our analyst, the data analyst for the Go, and for like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Okay, so this is more like a Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so we need to see if you wanted to analyze the Go, you must analyze the US dollar index. Wow, the prices just goes like we predicted before, right? So here, why I did this? Why did this, guys? It's really easy. If you want to see this, this is the consensus of the market, or you can call it the price squeeze, or you can call it the demand range. Okay, for the supply and demand. If you guys have known about this, okay, this is where the banks, they have pushed the prices up. Okay, they have known it's gonna just break out this to make a higher high, right? To break out here, you can see we have known here have the big resistance range at what's the number? 105.9. This range, we have known it. It have a big resistance, but we still have the consensus. We still oscillating and have a battle between the long and the short. But you can see the long have won the war, and it goes up for the first time, and then it's getting back and goes up once again to make a higher high at this range. You can see at this range. You can see. So this still make the prices up, which means we have known this range like crazily strong. So this is why we're doing this buying at this range. And even if there is war, and there is like the rate decision, right? The rate decision has been made by the Federal Reserve. Okay, so you can see even if the prices goes up like so crazy here, but the index still goes up. The index still goes up. So you can see everything is more valuable than before. It's like more valuable than before in the wartime. Okay, in the wartime. Understand? Understand, guys? Everything gonna be much expensive than before, because every time when the war happens, the inflation will crazily goes up. You know, the inflation will crazily goes up. Not just the gold goes up, not just the oil goes up. Everything will goes up, man. The rice, the noodles, the hamburger, the vegetable, they all gonna goes up because there will be a big lack of food and everything and the energy. So the oil goes up too. Okay, the USD goes up too. Okay, so you can see the SPX, the prices. Yes, firstly it goes up. This is a 30-minute chart. You can see firstly the prices goes up and then to crash down. So we think it goes up. Why it goes up? So we think it most because the rate decision, the rate of the federal, right? So they think it had been down by the reason it had been down, but you can see it still goes down. So which we think this is the influence of the war of Iran and Palestine conflict. Okay, so let's just say IPC, right? All of IPC. So this is why the prices just goes down. But you can see it. You can see it if you from the technical analyst, the prices have been made this big resistance range. You can see this space is bang, right? But it pushed the prices up. We have known it, right? So this is why I take this target price at 4,375. Okay, so the price is getting down. Okay, it's on my it's still below my prediction, but you can see these have another demand room. Okay, this is another demand room, or you can see the price squeeze here. So from the small and the smaller and to the big to the bigger, right? So this is where the banks they gonna involve. Okay, and then you step on this to goes up to break out the 4,375. Okay, so right now we have known the prices have to break out this point, so we still think the price is gonna break it once again and to make a higher high. Okay, to make a higher high. Only if the prices to break out this, only if it have a break out this point, which is 4,266.76, then we're gonna do the short. Okay, then we're gonna do a short. But on my watch, I actually think it will touch this to break out this and to make a higher high once again. Okay, only if the prices to break out here, we're gonna do another short, maybe on here. Understand me? Understand my logic and my plan here. Okay, so we are better. we are better now with the long position. Okay, we're still with the big direction of this big reason here. Okay, so this is analysis for the SP 500. Okay, so and the goal, the same thing. I'm telling you, the wartime, everything gonna just be expensive than before. Okay, even if the USD dollars. Okay, so if we see the USD dollars, we actually cannot see there is no such so strong point that we can do the short, right? We only have to see another big range that may gonna happen to the USD. 108. Okay, 108, which is right here. Have it been here? No. Only if the prices to touch the 108, we think there gonna be resistance coming out. Okay. So only if the prices to touch here, we're gonna do the short. But until that, we're gonna do the long. We're gonna still do the long. But there is not a good prices to do here. To do a buying here. There is no really good point. No. I just suggest you guys just holding your position, not to do any change by this, but you can do the go to do the longing and to do the SPX to do the longing too. So for you guys knowing, we take a really good live stream here, most likely daily analysis for SP 500 and the go and the index, most of there, and we also provide more detailed daily analysis. We will recommend you guys some good stocks and some good symbols like oils, like euro versus USD, and we also provide some capitals for those who don't have so much enough money to make a big trade. Okay, to getting more involved in the trading. Okay, and thanks to TradingView to take our this good platform here that we can do the live stream. Okay, everybody. So we will do the daily analysis every day on the work days. Okay. So most likely, in the Sunday we will just Sunday evening we will just take the we'll take the prediction for Monday. Okay. All right. Just wait a second, and let me change it into Chicago or New York. Okay, New York. Here. So okay. So right now the idea. Let's see. Following idea. I really like this guy. You can see it's really detailed. He had just predict so right. Okay, Bitcoin and the titles raising up resistance line from the trend. Okay, from the trend, and this is average line to touch here. PRZ resistance range and big PRZ 5 hours ago. This is for 1 hour. Let's see what's happening for this this analyst. Okay, goes down, and the consensus to push it up. It's gonna push it up once again. Yes, it's alright. Not much to say about this because I don't do crypto much. But still, if you guys want me to do some analysis about the cryptos, I'll still do for you. And I many about the chat the GTS method, which is my general trading strategy, and the most like from the candles. I just analyze all the candles. Okay, I don't use indicators for you guys knowing. I don't like indicators. Actually, all the indicators is come out from the it's come out from the candlesticks. It's come out from the prices, you know. So if you can actually read the candlestick, you can read most of the market. Understand me? Okay, let's just go with this. Okay, crypto meter analysis. This is for 1 week. No, we don't see so much. Okay, the US dollar index. Let's see about this. Wait a second. Let me reply something. All right, so the supply range, regular regular divergence, but I don't think this is so much good. You know, update 15 minutes and for short, it's gonna just break this out. But let's see. Let's see about this. Let's see about this. Yeah, I think it's gonna just to break out once again to make a higher high, right? But he seems like have win half of a game, right? But support only actually at this range. Actually at this range. This had been happened the price squeeze at this range at 106. Next one. So what's this? I don't really familiar on this one. Okay, getting down for the titles. Oh my god, there's no more this one. Okay, let's see this one. So the Euro versus USD, he gonna think it goes down. Yes, I think it gonna goes down too. Let's just see if he's right. Yes, if it just goes down, wow, so much crazy. But here he have the demand range, or you can see the support zone. Support zone will trend down the line for hours, and the target price of this touched here. It's still gonna goes down. The euro still gonna goes down, bro. The euro still gonna goes down. Not much to say about this, but it's gonna still down. Okay, for me, let's see. The euro and British pound goes up. Here have the consensus. You can see price squeeze, push up, and make a higher high. And he want to do the short to break it down here. But I don't think this is a good idea, and this is not a good chart. Okay, you do not use 2 hour chart. You better use 1 hour or 30-minute chart. This is wrong, guys. This is wrong. Do not use 2 hour chart, man. Do not use this because there is some difference between 30 minutes and 1 hour and 2 hours charts. You must to find about the most people use. Okay, so there will be more details about this term. You know, if you use like no one use this term, then you don't know about the actually detailed prices in the market. The structure will be changed. You know. It gonna goes up. It gonna goes up. This consensus gonna just bring the prices to make a higher high. Better to bring out 0.86822. This is so complex. And do not follow this. Do not follow this. Cut. Okay, just cut this. Okay, the USD buying trade, the prices goes down, goes up. Yes, it's just like my prediction. So I think he's gonna be right. Okay, it goes down, right? This range is which we have take the same range here, right? The same range here. It is the same analyst. Bitcoin, and also a train and butterfly wings. Like, no, man, this is not good. This is not a train. This is not train. This is not train. If you have analyzed this right, it only the luck. Okay, it's just only you get lucky. Understand? The real thing is about the consensus to break out the prices. Understand? It's not this candle. It's not this line. Not this line. Not useful. This is not useful. Getting up a little bit, and they're gonna have a little bit of war here. They're gonna have a battle here to decide where the direction is. Okay, but do not use this. Okay, why the prices goes up? Because the price has been squeezed at this range. Okay, at here, at 26,469, at 26,469, at here. This is the only one. This is the only one. Okay, it's not because this candle. And it's not because this line he have drawn this. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, one last, the last one. Here, this is the Bitcoin resistance level for our chart, which is good, and the entry point, and which is good. Yes, the prices goes up. You don't know about how much stronger this one. You don't know about this. You better not to make a wrong decision here. You may losing money here, bro. You may losing money here. You don't know how much stronger here, and you don't know. And this is not a big range that you're gonna win the war. It's gonna just goes up a little bit, you know. It just gonna goes out. See, this is what am I talking. This is what am I talking. You don't know which is stronger. You don't know this long position is stronger or this one is stronger. It must have be comparison. So it goes up. This is a logic, man. You don't like, but you seems like have the structure, yes, but you don't have the good consensus that you want to compare with each other. You need to compare with the strengths, you know. So this is must strong. This is must goes up to make the comparison. If there is no comparison, then the market won't be moving anymore. Understand me? Okay. So, all right. So the ideas review, in commenting is just over. And if you guys are interested in my live stream, just follow me and get in touch with me. We are more than daily analysts of the SP 500 and the Go. Okay, it's more than that. We will have more details. Okay, get in touch, and we will provide some. Also, we can also provide some capitals for you guys to trade. Okay, so this is Max. You can call me. Mr. Max, and see you guys. And I hope you guys, I can see you at the same time tomorrow here. Okay. All right.